Hello everyone, this is my other Rant. Okay, who do we have here today? Oh god. Hater of TikTok, the wolf, a bad animator. I'ma just call her bad animator because she traces and she lies. Or he, I don't know. But for now, I'm just gonna call him bad animator while I draw. Okay. So maybe they are saying mean things and all that, but maybe I'll just be doing a gacha edit. I don't know. I'll be doing stuff while I rant. Okay, so this person is being really disrespectful to people and is making me pretty mad at her disrespectful attitude and what she's doing to some of us innocents. So maybe she may be craving attention, she may be not, but what's with her trying to get it? Like, I can see she really, really wants it. Like, she's starting drama with tracing, and now I don't know. Okay, so we have very limited time to realize what she does is terrifying and pretty horrifying. So tracing is bad, we pretty much all know that. But we don't know a lot of what others think of. Let's say someone thinks you traced. They know that they traced, but they're really gonna deny it. And they're gonna be blaming you for thinking that they traced someone that they don't even know, but they exactly know them very well. So, let's say I said, oh, I didn't trace gacha, or whatever. And you say, no, yeah, you did. I'm sorry, but please delete this video and announce that you have actually traced gacha. And I say, no, you can actually do anything just to submit your claim as not being false. I may not be making sense right now like I ever do, but hear me out. Let's say, what if this person traces the actual... I don't even want to speak right now. But let's say the person who I am talking about, bad animator, makes a sequel to something, but it's actually traced. And she denies that it is. Like, let's say it's from a movie or something that she traced. She's gonna deny it. Even though she knows she did it. So, let's say I make a animation meme that involves death, and I trace it off of an actual picture of someone's dead body. I deny the fact that I did so, but you know that I did so. Also, that's some upcoming stuff. I'm gonna see if I have anything left over. Hold on. No. Okay. So this person is really just tracing and being them normal selves. And their profile picture is Ashley, but they made a few cringe. I think they only made one cringe compilation, but they made a cringe compilation that was really annoying that she said it was cringe, or he, I don't know anymore. I'm just gonna call her she, call him she, because I don't know. But anyways, as I was saying, she was, well, I don't know. I forgot. I'm sorry. But let me just say, move on to something about what she's doing. Tracing is bad in general, as you all may know. But no one really wants to do it just to get attention. And no one doesn't want that kind of attention. And she's really mean to some people, and I don't really like her. She's really cool though. Well, she's not cool, but she's a little cute. But I want to keep on ranting and saying at why she doesn't deserve very few subscribers. And she says that her content is original. I'm sorry, I hadn't had much sleep. She says that her content is original, but it's not. It's automatically traced of whatever the bad animator is, which isn't actually bad. I'm not actually going to be ending the video, it's just that I'll be drawing for the rest of it. There isn't really much to talk about, but she's really mean, and she really traces, like, Sashley, and she even puts Sashley into a cringe compilation. That's actually her profile picture, as you could see, of what I showed you earlier. You may know I don't like that, and how I understand. Okay, let's say you hate this person, but you want to be a little like him. I'm sorry. I may have to go to sleep. I'm tired. I didn't get much rest. But this lady, she's kind of crazy too. If you understood everything, then just check out her channel. You'll understand. By the way, please be gentle. I don't even know how to do this anymore. I'm really, really tired. Okay, bye.